Hello everyone and welcome to today's video on how to install MongoDB on Intellipaat. Do you know friends that MongoDB is a popular document-oriented database that provides a flexible and scalable solution for storing and managing data. Unlike the traditional relational databases, MongoDB stores data in a schema-less format, thus allowing for dynamic and nested data structure. MongoDB is widely used in various applications because of its rich ecosystem and active community, which makes it a perfect choice for the developers. Now before we move on and learn more about what is MongoDB and its installation process, do not forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon. So let's get started.
So let's start with what is MongoDB. Do you know friends that MongoDB is a popular open source document-oriented database that falls under the category of NoSQL, which is non-relational databases. It provides a flexible, scalable, and high-performance solution for storing, retrieving, and managing data. Unlike traditional relational databases, MongoDB stores data in a flexible and schema-less format called BSON or binary JSON, which allows for dynamic and nested data structures. MongoDB's document model is based on collection and documents. A collection is a group of documents that can contain different fields and data types. Each document is a record that represents a single entity and can be compared to row in a traditional database table. However, unlike tables, documents within a collection can have different structures. If I talk about some of the benefits of MongoDB, the first one that comes up to my mind is it has flexible data model. MongoDB's schema-less nature allows you to store and manage data without predefined structure or schema. You can add or remove fields from documents at any time, providing greater flexibility for evolving data requirements. Then you have scalability. MongoDB is actually designed to scale horizontally across multiple servers, which allows you to handle large volumes of data and high traffic loads. It also supports automatic sharding, which distributes data across multiple machines and provides built-in replication for high availability and fault tolerance. Then it has a rich query language. MongoDB offers a powerful query language with support for a wide range of operations, which includes filtering, sorting, aggregation, and geospatial queries. It also supports indexing to improve query performance. Then it has high availability. MongoDB provides automatic replication and failover, thus ensuring that your data remains available even in the event of server failures. It supports replica sets, which are self-healing clusters of MongoDB servers that elect a primary node and maintain multiple secondary nodes for data redundancy. Then we have integration and ecosystem. This benefit is kind of unique, as MongoDB offers official drivers for multiple programming languages, making it also providing a rich ecosystem for development stack. It also provides a rich ecosystem of tools, libraries, and frameworks that extend MongoDB's functionality and simplify development and administration tasks. MongoDB is commonly used in a wide range of applications, including content management systems, real-time analytics, mobile application, e-commerce platform, and many more, because it also provides a very high performance feature. Its flexibility and scalability and developer-friendly features make it a popular choice for handling diverse data requirements in modern application. I hope so you would have got a brief idea regarding what is MongoDB. Now let's move on and understand about features of MongoDB. If I talk about features of MongoDB, it offers actually several key features that make it a popular choice among developers and organizations for their data storage needs. The first one that comes up to my mind is that it is document oriented. MongoDB stores data in a flexible and schema-less format called binary JSON, which allows for dynamic and nested data structures. Documents within a collection can have varying data structures, thus enabling easy representation of complex data models. Then we have scalability and high availability. MongoDB is actually designed to scale horizontally by distributing data across multiple servers or clusters. It supports automatic sharding, allowing you to handle large volumes of data and high traffic loads. And additionally, MongoDB provides built-in replication, thus ensuring high availability and fault tolerance. Then we have querying and indexing. MongoDB offers a powerful query language that supports a wide range of operation for filtering, sorting, aggregation, and geospatial queries. It also allows for flexible and efficient querying of data. It also supports indexing to improve query performance. Its next feature is it has full text search. MongoDB provides full text search capabilities to enable efficient searching of text within documents. It supports various search features like text indexing, language-specific stemming, phrase matching, and relevance-based ranking. The next feature is that it also has a JSON-like query language. MongoDB's query language is known as MongoDB Query Language or MQL, and it uses a syntax similar to JSON. This makes it intuitive and easy to work with developers who are familiar with JavaScript or JSON. Some of the other features, if I want to discuss, is that it also has an aggregation framework. MongoDB actually offers a robust aggregation of framework that allows for complex data processing tasks, including grouping, filtering, transforming data using operations like $group, $match, or $projects, and many more. This framework enables efficient data analysis and reporting. It also has a good community and enterprise support. MongoDB has a large and active community of users and developers, thus providing resources, tutorials, and forums for support. MongoDB also offers enterprise-level support and additional features and management tools through its paid offerings. These features make MongoDB a versatile and powerful database solution for various applications, ranging from small-scale projects to large-scale enterprise systems. Its flexibility, scalability, and ease of use make it a popular choice for developers and organizations seeking a modern and efficient database solution. I hope so. You would have got a basic idea regarding what are the good features or important features. Repeat. What are the important features of MongoDB? Now let's move on to the installation part. So friends, installing MongoDB typically involves several steps, including downloading the MongoDB package, configuring the system, and starting the MongoDB service. While it can be quite challenging because you can have different operating systems, so I'm going to provide you a concise guide that will outline the major steps involved in installing MongoDB. Please note that the specific steps may vary depending on your operating system and version of MongoDB. I'll provide a general instruction and I'm using the Windows operating system, so I'm going to guide you based on that. It is always recommended to consult the official MongoDB documentation for most up-to-date instructions. Now let's get started. So first one is our step 1. So preparing for installation. Before installing MongoDB, ensure that your system meets the necessary requirements. Check the MongoDB documentation for recommended hardware, supported operating systems, and any additional prerequisites. Now we are going to visit the MongoDB website. So you can enter www.mongodb.com. So here comes www.mongodb.com download. Just click on this. Okay, so you're gonna get a link here saying MongoDB Atlas official site or MongoDB Atlas database. Just click on this. Okay, our system is opening. So after typing www.mongodb.com download, you can see there is MongoDB Atlas. Then here comes the MongoDB community server download. Just click on this. Okay, so it's gonna open our community server and as you can see, after clicking on it, the MongoDB Community Server Edition is opened. Now you can read about it. It says that the community version of our distributed database offers a flexible data model along with supported ad hoc queries, secondary indexing, real-time aggregation to provide powerful ways to access and analyze data. Since we have seen the features of MongoDB, the same thing is interpreted all over here. Now go down. So you can also download MongoDB from the command prompt by typing brew install MongoDB Atlas. Then you can set it up using Atlas setup. Since we can also download by just clicking here, so I think so this is one of the most easiest ways. You can see the version of our MongoDB Community Edition is 6.06. And here in the platform, if you are a Windows user, you can click Windows. Or if you have Debian or Linux, you can choose all over here. If you have Mac, you can choose Mac. Based on your operating system which you are using, you can click the following. Now since I have just Windows, so I'm just gonna click on the Windows. So just click on download. As you can see, the MongoDB is getting downloaded. So as you can see, we have downloaded MongoDB and I'm opening the MongoDB MSI package. Okay. So it's saying it's preparing to install. Now, as you can see, it's a welcome page of installation. Just click on the next. Okay. Then accept the license agreement. Okay. Just click on this checkbox and then enter next. Then it's choosing what are the type of setup you want to choose. It's a complete setup where all programs will be installed and it is clicked on default, or you want something customized. So I'm going to click on complete and then we are going to have install MongoDB as a service, run service as a network service user. Just click on that. Just leave it as it is. Then you have the data directory. Remember this, it is on C program files, MongoDB server data. As you can see, you have data directory all over here, which is located in C program files, MongoDB server 6.0/data. Then you have the log directory or C program files, MongoDB server 6.0 log. Just click on the next and then click on again next. So it's gonna install. So you have to wait till the installation gets completed. So as you can see here, there's a box popping up which says you must restart your system for configuration changes made to MongoDB 6.0.6. So basically what you have to do after the installation is complete, so you have to restart your system. So click on this. Since I have already installed on it, so I have no issues. So as you can see, this is a MongoDB Compass. Here you can create your new connection where you have your URI and you can edit the connection settings. For further connecting your MongoDB to your backend, you need to refer to the docs based on the language or the programming language which you are using. So this was all for installation. I hope so you would have got a pretty good idea. That was all for today's session, guys. I hope so you would have enjoyed our today's session on installation of MongoDB.
Just a quick info, guys. Intellipaat provides full stack web development course in collaboration with ENICT IIT Guwahati. The course link of which is given in the description below.